Partition values. We have already noted that the total area under a frequency curve which is equal to the total frequency. We can divide the distribution or area under a curve into a number of equal parts choosing some points like median. They are generally called partition values or quantiles. The important partition values are quartiles, deciles and percentiles. First one, quartiles. Quartiles are partition values which divides the distribution or area under a frequency curve into four equal parts at 3 points, namely Q1, Q2, Q3. Q1 is called first quartile or lower quartile. Q3 is called second quartile or middle quartile or median. Q3 is called third quartile or upper quartile. That is like this: Q1 lower quartile, Q2 is median or second quartile, and Q3 is third quartile. Quartiles for grouped data. Q1 is equal to L1 plus n by 4 minus m divided by f into c, where L1 is the lower limit of Q1 class. Q1 class is the class in which n by 4th item falls. M cumulative frequency up to Q1 class. C class interval, F frequency of Q1 class. Then Q2 is equal to L2 plus n by 2 minus m divided by f into c, that is median. Now Q3 is equal to L3 plus 3n by 4 minus m divided by f into c, where L3 lower limit of Q3 class. Q3 class, the class in which 3n by 4th item falls. M cumulative frequency up to Q3 class. C class interval. F frequency of Q3 class. We can combine this formula, three formulae, and it can be written as Qi is equal to Li plus I n by 4 minus m divided by f into c. I is equal to 1, 2, 3. First example, calculate quartiles for the following data class: 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, corresponding frequency 10, 16, 18, 27, 18, 8, 3. You have to make a class like class and corresponding frequency and cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency we can find adding the frequencies. First 30 to 35 frequency 10, CF 10, then 35 to 40 frequency 16, then corresponding cumulative frequency 10 plus 16 is equal to 26, then 40 to 45 frequency 18, corresponding cumulative frequency 26 plus 18 is equal to 44, then 44 to 50 frequency 27, corresponding cumulative frequency 44 plus 27, 71, then 50 to 55 frequency 27, corresponding cumulative frequency 71, then 50 to 55 corresponding frequency 80, 80 plus 71 is equal to cumulative frequency 89, then 55 to 60 frequency 80, then CF 89 plus 8, 97, then 60 to 65 frequency 3, then CF is equal to 3 plus 97 is equal to 100. We have the equation Q1 is equal to L1 plus n by 4 minus m divided by f into c. Q1 is equal to, at first we have to find n by 4. Here n is the summation f, that is CF 100. 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. We have to find Q1. That is here n by 4 25. 25-നേക്കാളും തൊട്ട് മേലെയുള്ള റെസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസിയുള്ള ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കുക. അതാണ് Q1. അതിൻ്റെ ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് L1 35, അതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് മേലുള്ള ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി M, അത് 10, കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി F, ദെൻ ക്ലാസ് ഇൻ്റർവെൽ C. Substituting, that is 5. Substituting these values in this equation, Q1 is equal to 35 plus 25 minus 10 divided by F is 16 into 5. That is Q1 is equal to 35 plus 15 into 5 divided by 16 is equal to Q1 is equal to 35 plus 4.68. That is 39.68. Then Q3 is equal to, we have the equation L2 plus n by 2 minus m divided by f into c. That is made it. First we have to calculate n by 2. n 100. 100 by 2 is equal to 50. 50ൻ്റെ 50നേക്കാളും തൊട്ട് കൂടുതൽ ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി വരുന്ന ക്ലാസ് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തതാണ് Q2 ക്ലാസ്. അതിൻ്റെ ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് L2. ദെൻ അതിൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് മേലുള്ള ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി M. Then F അതിൻ്റെ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി. Then C class width, class interval. Then substituting these values in the equation, 45 plus 50 minus 44 divided by 27 into 5 is equal to 45 plus 30 divided by 27 is equal to 45 plus 1.11 is equal to 46.11. Then Q3 is equal to, have the equation L3 plus 3n by 4 minus m divided by f into c. 3n by 4 is equal to 3 into 100 divided by 4 is equal to 3 into 25 is equal to 75. L3 is equal to, L3 we have to select Q3 class. 3n by 4 75നേക്കാളും തൊട്ട് കൂടുതലുള്ള ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസിക്ക് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്ലാസ് അതാണ് Q3 ക്ലാസ്. അതിൻ്റെ ലോവർ ലിമിറ്റ് L3, ദറ്റ് ഈസ് 50. 50 പ്ലസ് 75, 3n by 4 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 75 മൈനസ് m എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ 3n by 4നേക്കാളും തൊട്ട് കൂടുതലുള്ള ഈ Q3 ക്ലാസ്സിൻ്റെ തൊട്ട് മേലുള്ള ക്യുമുലേറ്റീവ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി അതാണ് 71 ഡിവൈഡ് ബൈ എഫ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൻ്റെ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ഫ്രീക്വൻസി 80 ഇൻറ്റു സി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ക്ലാസ് ഇൻ്റർവൽ 5 is equal to 50 plus 20 divided by 4 into 5 20 divided by 18 is equal to 50 plus 1.11 is equal to 51.11. Q3 is equal to 51.11.